Alright, for the drop shipping in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Amazon to find a profitable product. So the first thing that I want you to do is go search for Amazon bestseller from the Google and just click on that. Here you're going to see all the category of the product that people are selling in Amazon basically. And if you have your niche, you can start seeing the product that is selling the most in Amazon.com basically. So if you want to go see product for the cooking, you can go to the home and kitchen, and in home and kitchen you can see all the top product that people are selling. Obviously these products are not something that you want to sell because these are these are copyrighted product, but you can see what type of product that you can drop ship similar to what the Amazon people are buying basically. People in Amazon are buying. So you can see the top selling product in there basically. But you don't have to be bogged down by this list right here. As I showed you guys before in the first video, that you can actually do some research in AliExpress to figure out some of the good product that they're selling. First of all, you have to go to the Facebook. You can see like existing product that people are selling, and you can model that. You can see if you can sell like 10 20 of that product, and then you can bring it up here, run the same Facebook ad for Amazon to give the Amazon some boosting to sell more product in Amazon.com, and in the same time scale out your own business on your Shopify store. So you can actually check out all these niches, and you can see if you can find any product that's similar to what you see in Amazon.com from AliExpress itself. For example, it says Marai okay and okay to wake, alarm clock and night light basically. So you can see if you can find anything that's related to that. For example, you can go to the aliexpress.com, right? So you can see you can search for, sorry about that, you can search for the alarm clock light basically, and you can click this search button, alarm clock and night light for the kids basically, right? It's for the kids. So you can see if you can find it for kids. If you can find anything similar that you can promote, you can give it a shot basically. And alarm clock and night light, you can just search for that. This is what I usually do basically. I see if I can find anything similar to that, and I start promoting that in Facebook to see if I find it that profitable. I actually found one product in Amazon that I actually promoted, and I sold like hundreds of them in in my Shopify store, and I was dumb enough to not scale that in Amazon, and I regret it now. So I was I was actually looking for something where I can store my iPhone picture basically. So I was looking for Dr. Memory in for my iPhone. So I was looking for like this type of device. So I was looking for that, and I was like, this thing looks like quite interesting. So what I did, I actually went out and I was looking for the same type of device in AliExpress, and once I found that device, I actually created a video for that in my own home. Basically, I was just taking this out and I was showing like what's in the what's in the USB itself, and I had like a normal background music of guitar or something like that, and I did like explainer videos of some sort of way, and it did really well. I sold like hundreds of them, these devices, last year basically. I don't know if there is a still market for that, but this is how I figured it out basically. So I sell a lots of electronic product in my store, so I actually go out there and I look for electronic product, and if I see anything that's interesting, I go out in Amazon to see if I can find similar type of product, and if I find it, I just give it a shot basically. uh, you know I don't expect you guys to steal somebody else's picture and then make it your own, or like, sorry, steal somebody else's video and make it your own. But if you do, that's your problem basically. I actually bought this right here. I did not buy the first one. I actually bought this right here, G-Ting basically. So G-Ting USB flash drive. I bought this. I found the same thing in AliExpress. It's called Dr. Memory, that's what it's called. And I actually sold that for like $40 basically. Sorry, $35.99, and I've sold a lot of that. Um, and then it eventually dies out after I sold a couple hundred, and I made really good money with that. And then I went to the next product, and this is how I find product basically. So Dr. Memory, iPhone USB, I think that's what it's called, iPhone USB. Let's see if I find it right here. So this is what I actually drop shipped in my store. I went to Amazon and I was looking for product. Like the way I do just now. I was looking for it for my own cell phone, and I found a product that I could promote basically. So this is how I usually do my research. I just go to electronics, and then I go for like phone accessories. That's what I do when I sell my accessories. And I just look for accessories that's simple and catchy. For example, pop socket collectible grip stand basically. Let's see what that is. So it says uh, collapsible grip and stand for iPhones, right? For phones. What does it do? Let's figure that out. So you can put it on the back of your device, and you can just put it on on your table basically. It looked like a winner to me. I mean, let's see if I can find it here. Stand for phones. Collapsible grip stands for phones. For phones. So, or I can just say grip stand. Sorry about that. I don't know what did I do. I say grip stand for phones. Let's see if I find it. So I found something similar that I could try to sell in Amazon. I mean in Facebook, and then I can sell something like this. I can sell something like this, which is like 98 cents. I can sell something like this in my store using Facebook ads. And if this is something that sells into my store, I can then buy them in a bulk. I don't even have to go to Alibaba. I can just order bunch from AliExpress and tell them like put like two in a packet. So I can sell two in a packet in Amazon. If I can sell this profitably, I might gonna price it around like 9.99, because with the shipping it's gonna cost me like $3. So I'm gonna price it like 9.99. I'll run some ads if to see if I can sell this for at least like $1 or $2 profit. If I can sell like 10, 20, I will then go in and I'll scale the ads in Facebook, and I'm gonna get a bunch of this to Amazon, and I will try to sell them in Amazon as well. When you send things to Amazon FBA, do not send a crap load of them in one time. Try to send like just like 10, 20, 30 at the first time, and then once you sell them, then order like 100, 150, 200. That's how I scaled out. I just go in Amazon and I see which products are catchy and like new in trend. This is a product that I found in Amazon which did really well for me back in 2017, in the early 2017. I sold hundreds of them, and the market just oversaturated from that point on basically. This is something that could be found in AliExpress as well, which is phone camera lens, fuchsia lens. Basically, this person just customized it. Lots of people sold it back in the days. I was one of them too. You can find that in AliExpress, and I sold like 30, 40, 50 of them in the beginning of 2017. I should have done Amazon for this too if I could have started that early. But then just market just went oversaturated, and I stopped selling them. I sold around like 70 of them on my Shopify store. So I just want to show you how I do things basically. The mobile stand is really hard. One thing that's really hard and always sell is the phone cases for the upgraded phones. For example, if the iPhone 10 comes in, iPhone 9 comes in, if you can find eye-catchy phone covers, that sells really good. Another way you can find out the demand of that product is this. So you just search for like phone case lens right here, and you can use this tool that I use all the time called Jungle Scout Chrome extension. I'm going to leave a link right below. You can check this out yourself, and you can see how much they're selling. So this person had, in last month, he had a revenue of $81,000, which is insane. This person had a $35,000 in revenue. It just shows last 30 days revenue, basically. It's the estimation. Even if this person sold like $15,000, that's a lots of money that he sold in one product. And these people just selling it in Amazon because it's organic, and they are in page one, basically. Being in page one in Amazon means that you can sell products when you sleep, basically. So you can just take a look at it, and then if you can master the art of Facebook marketing that I'm teaching you, you can actually scale that up in Amazon too. You can actually send people from Facebook to Amazon.com to show your products and sell them as well. All right. So this is how you can do Facebook market. I mean, find profitable product in Amazon.com that you can scale in your Shopify store. All right. So if you have any other question, let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer those questions in my group.